Compatible printing from multiple devices. Normally, for the wireless printer, they are capable of printing from any kind of smart devices such as smartphone or tablet. But the Canon TS9521 is more open to devices, which means it can handle printing and every other function from many devices. Whether it's a small thing such as a memory card, it can even take print from that. Also, from smartphone, tablet, and directly from the computer, all the function is possible to run. So, this is in fact a great advantage so that you are never short of a device for executing your task. Printer Ever presents Canon TS9521 printer. Multiple ink support. The Canon TS9521 has a great ink advantage. 5 different individual inks can be used in the printer. So, having the support for multiple sets of inks is not seen in most of the printers. There are just a few printers that have this great ability to render all the ink at the same time. Actually, there's a purpose for having the support of multiple inks. If you want to do crafting in your everyday life and complete your projects, all the different sets of ink are necessary. There are more advantages that come in handy, which is the Chroma Life 100 is. This cool feature is that it actually protects photos from getting faded so that there remains sound in the photos. Can handle multitasking smoothly. Nowadays, most of the printer is able to get a hand on multitasking. But the question is, how smooth are they? It's imperative to have gentle smoothness while executing multiple things at a time. Also, maintaining the render quality is also very important. The Canon TS9521 has an automatic document feeder, which is very important and comes in handy. So while scanning pages, you don't need to worry about the correct page number or even the scaling of the page. It will do everything smoothly and easily. Meets all the crafting needs. The Canon TS9521 is packed with many features. Among them, crafting is a significant feature. So if you want to use the printer for crafting, scrapbooking, and other cool features, then this printer is the one you need. As it is a wireless printer, everything can be done through any smart device just by a single tap. So, if you have the pictures that you want to use for scrapbooking, then you can just do it with your mobile phone. It supports the Canon Print app and many more. Canon has shown its efficiency with the software recently. The Canon Smart app can be used to carry out any task required to execute that moment. It's very easy to scan and print as it is possible to do it with just a tap in the Canon Smart app. Other than that, if you want to directly connect the printer with cloud-based problems such as Instagram and Facebook, then this Canon app will make it happen easily. Another one is the Easy Photo Print Editor app, which can be used to explore one's artistic side and sync them with calendars. For printing animations, secret messages, embed music, the Message in Print app. The most exciting feature that the Canon TS9521 has the AirPrint app support through which one can connect iPad, iPhone, or iTouch. So for printing from a mobile device which is from an Android device, you can use the Mopria print service. Supports voice control. The Canon TS9521 supports voice command. That means you can run this printer just by saying something. The Alexa voice supports any type of commands from the user and executes them properly. For the modern-day printer, it's essential to support the voice control mode as it can render any work faster. Also, there is no need to connect any smart devices if the voice mode is turned on. Sleek design. One thing that blows the user's mind is the printer's unique design, which can outlook the physical appearance of the body and give it a premium feel. The display is placed in the center so that the work can be done smoothly. The upper contains the paper insertion tray, which can also hold a good number of paper, and it will not look messy at all. The sides of the printer have a blemishing finish, for which the sides look very solid. The output tray is placed in the center so that there is no such difficulty in picking up the result sheets after printing right. Saves energy and sustainability to the environment. Most of the printers in the market are not climate friendly. They are producing more waste, and which really affects the environment in a bad way. The Canon TS9521 has sustainability certification, which proves that this printer is suitable for the environment. Other than that, the printer also saves a lot of energy while put in work. It doesn't heat up the environment and remains cool all the time. Compact body featuring everything. This printer comes with a solid body that cannot be damaged so easily. It can print 12 into 12-inch borderless printing and has some versatile feeding options, including cardstock for greeting. Also, specific printable patterns can also be used and give you the ultimate versatility in printing.
Please check the product link below the description and subscribe to our channel for more updates.